Primetime news this evening. Still in limbo. St. Catherine fish farmers face new setback while last year's compensation still outstanding. FSC drops case against Stocks and Securities Director. And human rights group calls for ganja to be distributed in state prisons.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, gas prices are going to be coming out and unfortunately they're going up just in time for Christmas. Not news that most motorists would want to hear. And we also have some news from the Bank of Jamaica regarding the policy interest rates. So I'll have all that a little later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon to Jermaine Brown, he has a preview of Primetime Sports. Jermaine?
Well, thanks, Herman. Well, a top Jamaican batsman has been dropped from the West Indies Test team. And the JFF elections are shaping up to be fireworks come January. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Shaping up, it has been a whole bunch of fire, Jermaine. But anyway, Romain is also here with us with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thank you, Janella. Over the next few days across the island, we're going to be gradually seeing temperatures warm up. We're expecting the highest temperatures this week to be peaking sometime around Saturday. Strong winds are still forecast across most of the north, and we are expecting a few windy conditions across the southwest as well.
I don't want to hear anything about warming. I mean...
We're fine with the cold. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you make of the recommendation for the state to give prisoners access to approved quantities of ganja for smoking purposes?
Now you can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.